Alright guys, so today we are going to making some cool like garden decorations and stuff like that. We saw a video online and we're huge Alice in Wonderland fans and we wanted to see if we can make some garden mushrooms. So that's what we're going to do. These are going to be decorative mushrooms that we're going to make. We're using Quikrete, we're using some all-purpose sand or multi-purpose sand and some spray paint, and that's essentially it. I'll take you through the process. It's going to be really easy. Hopefully, we've never done it before, but we're going to try it, see how it comes out. Alright, so the sand is basically just for the molds of the mushrooms. We're going to do it in this little pool here. So we're just going to lay out the sand, make it kind of flat for the mushrooms. It'll make sense in a minute. We're going to mix up some Quikrete first. Alright, so what we did, or what she did, is she put some indentions in there. These are for the mushroom caps. And now we just got some plastic drop cloth for painting that we're gonna lay in there, and that's gonna help us remove the Quikrete once it's hardened. Alright, so we had to make the sand wet because it wasn't holding the shape that well. So we just wet down the sand, and now we're gonna make the molds. That's what she's doing right there. We're gonna have different size mushrooms. And also use like the back of a bowl like this to make bigger ones. As it starts to set, we gotta put some screws in so it can attach to our bases, or our sticks. Those are molds drying. They've got the screws in there. This concrete starts to dry immediately, so you have to work quickly once it's all mixed. All right, we're gonna check if they're dry. That little one is dry. We pulled that one out already. Looks good. Painting the mushrooms. This is the bottom coat, which is gonna be the color of the dots on the mushroom. All right, next step is putting dots on the painted mushrooms. These are just little labeling dots. And then we're gonna paint over them. So the base color that you see right there comes through as the dots. Hopefully it works. All right. The reveal. We already did one right there. They're looking okay. They look like mushrooms. Just go in. Pull it up. Mushroom. There we go. Mushrooms. Now it's time to put them in the garden. They look good. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Look at our little mushrooms there. There's some of them over here. And there's some if we go over here past our fruit trees. Got our other little village over here. I think they came out pretty good. Pretty happy with them. it's cool. I like it. Anyways, if you want your own little mushroom village like this, hopefully you found this video helpful. It was the first time that we did it. Would I do things differently if we did it another time? Yeah, I would. What I would do is instead of just putting the screws in as the concrete was drying, I think I would put the screws in the posts, these little our little wooden posts, and I would put those in the concrete first, or as they were drying. Just because screwing them in afterwards, sometimes the screw would break loose and stuff because it is just concrete holding it in. But all in all, they came out pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Thank you for joining me for this video, and hope to see you on the next one. See you guys.